and welcome back. Today I'm going to explain you how to guide your customers through different paths in your flow using conditions and tags. It is really simple way to customize the experience for each person. So first let's talk about why the condition block is important. So using the condition block, it help us create a more personalized experience for our customers instead of treating everyone the same. We can tailor our communication based on what we already know about them. This is not only going to save your time but also makes customer feel more valued and understood by ensuring that the way only get relevant information. So definitely we can enhance their overall support experience and increase the chances of positive engagement. So here the situation, let's say you have an online store and you're asking the customers about their plan if they have gold, platinum, and black. So let's say if a customer is coming to your platform and they are saying, I am a gold customer, then what you can do in this case, you can use the action block to tag them as gold. So how we're gonna do, we will click on this plus icon and then we can simply drag the action block into our canvas. And for this, when my customer will click on their gold customer, I will simply add a tag and mark them as, let's say, gold. So I have already created a tag. If you don't have created a tag, what you can do, you can click on this plus icon and create it right away, or the other way is to create it from the settings. So let's add them as gold. If my customer is clicking on gold, I will add them as gold, and then what I will do, I will simply send this customer to the flow which is made only for gold customers. So I'll click on this plus, I will in drag this flow connection block into my canvas. We'll simply connect this using the connection and then click on select flow. And what you can do, you can add the flow which you have created for gold customer. So I have one created for gold customer, so I am tagging them. So what we just did, we created we created a menu where we are asking our customers what is their subscription plan. If they're saying gold, I am marking them as gold. I'm giving them a tag using the action block, and then I am directing them towards another flow which is just created for gold customers. Similarly, I can do this for platinum or black customers. I'm going to simply copy this action, click it here, connect with platinum, click on the tag and update the tag with platinum, and then I will mark this platinum with the flow which is only made for platinum. Similarly, I can have this copied once again, and I will connect this with black subscription plan. Click on this, add the tag as black, and then copy the flow one more time, simply connect it with action block, and I will choose the flow which is created for block. I have already created flow for gold, platinum, and black. If you haven't, you can go and create them before coming and making this tags and conditions flow. So I have created them. Let's say if your customer is coming again tomorrow, would you go and check their tag once again? Would you go and ask them, hey, what is your subscription plan, gold, platinum, or black? The answer is no. If they have already told this information, or if you have already stored this information, you should not be asking, but you should rather directing them towards the menu which is dedicated for the subscription plan of the customer. So the way how we're going to do that, we will use the condition block. So here we have condition block. I'm simply going to drag into my canvas. And so let's say our customer is coming again one day after, or let's say 2 days after, and then we want to send them to the flows which is directed for their subscription plan, which could be gold, platinum, or black. So in that case, what we are going to do, we will first check their tag. Since we have already attached these tags to our customer, what we will do, we will click on this conditions, we will click on all conditions, and we will add the condition. Here I'm going to choose the tag, and I will choose, let's say, tag is black. So here what I have done, I have built a condition which will check the tag. If the tag is black, in that case, what my condition block will do, it will direct that customer to the flow which is made for black subscription customers. So I will choose black. Let me find it from the list, black flow. So if the condition is true, which means if the tag is marked as black for the customer, it will throw that customer to the flow, which is meant for black subscriptions. But let's say if this condition is not true, in that case, we can include one more condition. And let's say the tag is not black, then it could be other two. It could be something platinum or gold. So let's click on tag and select the tag. In this case, we can choose gold. If the tag is gold for our customer, what we can do, we can simply flow them towards the gold flow. I'll just change the name of this flow to gold, and here it's done. Let's say the customer is neither black or gold. In that case, there could be one more scenario, which means what if they are platinum? So I'll click on this and add one more flow. Here, let me click on this and let me change gold to platinum. It's done. And let me connect this condition block with this flow connection block. And here, let me choose the flow as platinum flow. And here it's done. But let's say it could be one scenario where my customer is not tagged as black, gold, or platinum. In that case, what I should be doing? In that case, I should be sending that customer to this flow so that they can be added these tags, which could be gold, platinum, and black. And once they are added, they would be thrown to the flows which are meant for them. So in that case, what I can do, I can simply just add one more flow action block and connect it with my condition. And then I can, let's say, connect this flow to something, let's say test flow, and that test flow is nothing but the introduction flow, which will simply add these tags to my customer. So this is how we basically use tags and the condition block to simply add a tag and make some decision based on the outcome of the conditions. This way, you can guide your customers smoothly through your flows without repeating unnecessary questions. I hope this explanation was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in next tutorial.